Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your birth date on Pinterest. Maybe you entered it wrong when you signed up, or maybe you just want to update it. No matter the reason, it's a pretty simple process. This is the updated method, so it reflects any recent changes to the Pinterest app. First things first, open up the Pinterest app on your phone or tablet. Once you're in, look for the saved icon at the bottom of your screen. It usually looks like a silhouette of a person. Tap it and then tap your profile icon. This will take you to your profile page, where you can make changes to your account settings. Next, on your profile page, look for a gear icon or three dots. This is usually in the top right corner. Tap on that to open the settings menu. Scroll down until you see Account Management and tap on it. This section lets you control various aspects of your account, including personal information. In the Account Management section, you'll find Personal Information at the very top. Tap on that, and you should see options like your email address, phone number, and of course your birth date. Tap on Birth Date. This will open a screen where you can adjust your month, day, and year. Simply select the correct date from the drop-down menus or calendar. Once you've made your changes, double-check to make sure everything is accurate. After you've confirmed that your new birth date is correct, tap the Update button. And that's it. Your birth date on Pinterest is now updated. A few things to keep in mind. Pinterest may have restrictions on how often you can change your birth date, so make sure you're entering the correct information. Also, according to Pinterest, for now, if the age you gave us is under 18 and your account is active, you can't change your age. We'll soon bring back a way for everyone to update their age after entering it incorrectly. If you run into any problems, Pinterest's Help Center is a great resource. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Pinterest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.